You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this type of cherries from Italy. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but often confusing Italian names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So in Italian this is said as maraschino, maraschino. In English some do pronounce it closer to Italian as maraschino, but many also. And it is somewhat admitted that in English those are called maraschino, maraschino, or maraschino, which is a little more closer, correct to the Italian pronunciation, maraschino cherries. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.